Bulbanak, everybody. Thank you for the question, Rendell. Absolutely, there's always challenges in getting participation. While we got that bronze medal, and it sort of got everybody wanting their daughters, their nieces to play rugby, there's still a lot of reservations in the Fijian culture, and in spaces that, there are people that are still saying that this is not the space, or this is not a sport that the girls and that women should be taking part in. And the challenge is still very much there. Well, some of us, like Elena, myself, and Leilani, we call, I guess you could say, trailblazers in stepping into spaces as former players, and getting into coaching roles, and getting into management roles, and other roles that previously have been held by men. The challenge is really very much there, and we'd like to say it's not. Maybe in a couple of years, ask me that question again. But as it stands, there still is a lot of challenges in participation. We are getting a lot of numbers and development that's been done in getting into secondary school. So we've got girls playing at secondary school levels, at provincial levels, and even at primary school levels, playing tag rugby, and then stepping on to more contact rugby. We've got a huge number of girls in the system, but still there's a lot of challenges in getting girls participating.